What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Listen, I know that if you're here, you're probably not in a good mood right now, but I think I have the solution for that. So stick with me and let's get that solution to you as quick as possible, but also bear with me because I am going to show you the journey that I had with this problem. Maybe there's some other things you'll learn or some information you'll be able to pass on to someone else. All right, well, stick with me and I'll see you soon. I'm also on a highway. It doesn't sound like it or look like it, but it is. Extreme heavy. There it goes. I can't turn. I have no power steering. Fuck. This is crazy, y'all. No power steering. You guys saw that, right? The Jeep just stopped steering. That was the scariest part. It was the third time it's happened, and I was sure to record it so I could remember exactly what happened and show others. I'm glad y'all got to see that. Now, I'm gonna show you what I did on preventative measures to try to work up to the solution, and then now the final solution. So as preventative measures for the Wrangler, I did change both batteries. It's been about 3 years since I've done that, so I put a brand new battery for the main, wow, that's really hot, and a brand new battery for the secondary auxiliary battery, which is behind the fender liner right here, underneath of the fuse box. There's a link below if you want to see how to get that out so you can change yours out. Once I changed the batteries and realized there was nothing there that fixed it, I got a call from a friend and he said, hey, take your fuses and push them all down. So I started to do that. I started to push them all down, and I went through, okay, did that, nothing worked. So I went deeper. I disconnected both batteries, which is here. Disconnected these first three here, and then the main battery, and also this right here is the auxiliary, so I disconnected that from the ground of the main 12 volt. Let me not forget to mention that most of this information is coming from Tim Diekman at Liquid Iron Industries. He has been so helpful throughout every process I've had with working on the Jeep, fixing it, installing parts, recommending parts, and just overall a really good guy to have in the community. I definitely recommend you check them out at Liquid Iron Industries. It's right here at the bottom of the screen, and there will be a link below to their Facebook and their Instagram. So I thought about it. I had a Taser installed on my Jeep, and that was just something else I wanted to take off just to make sure that it wasn't this messing up the Jeep. Now, I didn't think it was because this is a programmer. This isn't something that is actively changing things that the Jeep does. It doesn't change my shift points. It doesn't do anything like that. It specifically just changes settings, like when I turn my turn signal on, I have my rear view mirror or my rear view camera also show up. So it was just unlikely that it was going to be this, but as a safety precaution, I did unmarry it and uninstall it from the vehicle. I did that and nothing changed, so this was not the culprit. Second person is Josh from Rocky TV. I do want to help or shout him out because he is always willing to help, looking up links, sending me YouTube videos, finding forms for me, doing stuff like that on the back end. I really do appreciate that as usual. And then the third person is Predator JL. I haven't met this person in public, or in person, not public. Well, yeah, in both. I haven't met this person in public, but hopefully one day at a Jeep show or something so I can give you a good handshake and thank you for how much you have helped me and other people in the community. I'm really, really grateful for just all of that information on that thread, and you just willing to keep tapping back in and updating us. You are a great person to have in the Jeep community. Other than that, that's really it, guys, and I do appreciate you coming by, so stick around. I'm going to show you a little bit more about this CanBus module, and then we're going to end the video short and sweet. Anyone know what this is? That felt really goofy. Anyway, this is a CanBus module, and when this goes bad, it makes the whole Jeep do all of that silly stuff. The only way I was able to find this little thing was because Predator JL posted the product link, the product serial code in that form that I was just talking about that's linked below. you can push that right into the website, order the part online, or you can take it to your local dealership and they may have one in stock. My local dealership did have one in stock, so I was super, super lucked out for that. I will say that it is a little tricky getting the plugs out of this thing, so I will show you, or actually I'm going to link a video. I'm going to link a video that's a little more precise to show you exactly how I did it, because it's a video that just focuses on taking the plugs out of this thing. You don't want to damage them at all, so just be careful, be patient. I almost wasn't, and I took a pair of pliers and just started pulling, and I was like, wait a minute, I don't want any more headaches. So I looked up another YouTube video, one more YouTube video, and this was it. Y'all, so when you take out the glove box, which is pretty easy, you take it out and then you have to push this guy here, pop that out. You'll see this module, and the module will be sitting like this. I popped mine off. This is the new one that I put in, and I'm not going to put it here because I do think that when the glove box opens and closes, it crushes these wires. So I think that's the problem I had. So I'm gonna tuck mine up here with a zip tie, and it's gonna just stay safe and solid up there, and hopefully we have no more issues. But yeah, that's where you're gonna find the CanBus module, and that's where you're gonna replace it. So yeah. Good luck, guys. I really, 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 really hope that this worked for you, because y'all just can't imagine how much pain we've been through trying to figure this out. And it's not even as much as most people have. I read on those forums, like, those people are just going through... good luck, y'all. Until next time, we'll see ya.